In this video, I will show you how to turn on Mobile Hotspot on Android mobile. So firstly, you need to click on this settings. Now here, you have to find out this setting, other wireless connections. So click on this other wireless connections. Now here, click on this personal hotspot. So click on it. Now select this personal hotspot to on. So to make personal hotspot on, select this setting to on. Now you can share your network connection with a personal hotspot. This may consume more mobile data and power. And here you can change your personal hotspot setting, your name and password. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you. And if you need to make it off, so select this setting to off. That's it. Thanks for watching.